The weight mass converter converts mass values between different units of measurement. For inputs, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled From Unit with 8 options: kilograms, pounds, ounces, metric tons, grams, stones, short tons, US, and long tons, UK. For this demo, I've selected kilograms, which is already the default. Below that is the Enter Value field where you input your mass value. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the Enter Value field and click Calculate Mass Conversions. The calculator instantly converts this 10 kilogram value into all 7 other units. You'll see the equivalent mass displayed in pounds, showing how many pounds equal 10 kilograms. The ounces conversion appears next, followed by the metric tons value, which will be a small decimal since 10 kilograms is much less than a ton. The grams conversion shows a larger number since grams are smaller than kilograms. You'll also get conversions to stones, short tons, and long tons, giving you a complete set of mass equivalents across metric and imperial systems. This tool eliminates manual conversion calculations for engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.